Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to record your screen with audio in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Press on S Capture. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of Record Sound. You have to go for it. Now choose here Mic option. That's it. So this is how to record your screen with audio in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.